The Director of Immigration and Customs Enforcement recently issued interim guidance to ICE agents who are going to be making arrests in the state courthouses throughout the country. So ICE has been active in Massachusetts. Last week they made a series of arrests in the Boston area. The week before that, they made a series of arrests in Western Massachusetts. And all of these have happened in the community or at private residences. But it does seem, based on the guidance, that arrests are going to start happening in the state courthouses. So the guidance states a few things. Number one, ICE agents are supposed to have a targeted defendant when they go into the courthouse. So they're not just going to go in there and at random start questioning people or going through the docket to see who they can arrest. They need to have a targeted person when they go into the courthouse. Now, they can make what they refer to as collateral arrests if they happen to encounter an immigrant, and on a case-by-case basis, they can decide whether to arrest that person or not. Next, the arrests are supposed to happen in a non-public area. And I think what this amounts to is agents are supposed to make their arrests outside the courthouse lockup or in the courthouse lockup. That would be the non-public area. So the defendant's brought to the courthouse in state custody. He gets released by the court officers from the lockup, and ICE would detain the person at that point. And then lastly, the guidance suggests or encourages agents not to make arrests during civil proceedings. Right? So it wants the arrest to be made during criminal court sessions, not during civil sessions, which would be things like family court, housing court, small claims court. So they would avoid those types of sessions and go into the criminal sessions. I've written a blog post on this, and I'll put it in the description below.